Okay, welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're obviously talking about the moon landing. Moon has no atmosphere. Moon has no atmosphere, meaning there's no clouds, meaning there's nothing to block the stars, meaning we could see the stars if we actually went to the moon. Where are the stars? No atmosphere means, again, no wind. Why is a flag blowing? Blowing, oh my god. Also, we got this guy, which, you could see strings when they were jumping. I couldn't see them, but other people said they did. So, again, I mean, that can kinda disprove that. It might just be camera malfunctions and other things. Another thing is I don't know how we could broadcast this from the moon, which would be kind of hard. There's also a number C on a rock, which I mean, if we were idiots, which, let's be honest, like 95% of the population is, we could all be like, oh, that's just a coincidence. Oh, there's no stars because filming was bad back then. It looks like wires because filming was bad back then. The flag's blowing because maybe there's a wind from it spinning, but I don't think any of that is possible except maybe for the stars and the lines. I mean, it kind of does look like there might be a pole on the top, but that wouldn't explain why the bottom is just waving. It doesn't look right. And if the moon doesn't have soil, I haven't been to the moon, obviously, so I can't say this, but wouldn't it be a little bit harder? Because it looks more of like a rocky substance than like dirt that we have here on Earth. So, like, wouldn't it be a little bit more hard for it to go into the floor, the ground? I don't know, that's just my opinion. In the rover, there's something about the rover. I can't put my finger on it, but it doesn't look absolutely right. The same thing with them walking around, like, there's like camera people in the back. It's really, really looks weird. And in this picture, you can obviously see a camera guy with no spacesuit. And if there was wind, like, wouldn't we be able to see, like, some other thing? Like, maybe the dirt or something blowing across, or, like, maybe something moves a little bit with the wind, but instead it's just the flag, which is kind of weird. You can also see a whole bunch of other things that are wrong. Like, the ground looks stony, but at the same time it looks like gravel. But it looks like if you just like sprinkled dust on like a hard ground, like it's not gonna hold if you stick something in there because it's too soft. Or if it would be so hard that you couldn't, put the thing through. That's really it, sort of. I haven't seen the moon landing. I just going by what other people say, which, isn't the best source. Bad on my part for not researching this before I went into it. But I thought I would bring it up. We were already on the 9/11 conspiracy, which, go check that out. Yeah.